Hi, my name is Evelyn and today I'm going to talk about the plant cell and the animal cell. Animal cell is a unit that makes up animal tissues. It is an eukaryotic cell characterized by the presence of a nucleus, plasma membrane, and cytoplasm. It differs from the plant cell by the absence of cell wall and chloroplasts, just as the plant cell, but that's the difference. In addition, smaller and more abundant cells can be found compared in those plants of cell. It got many differences of the plant cell. The animal cell is around and the plant cell is... The plant cells appear mostly in green plants that have unique features like cellulose cell walls, plastids for photosynthesis and storage, a larva pool for sugar, pressure regulation, and a special cell division method with a cell plate or pragmoplast. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Alsa Gonzalez and today I want to talk about 4 different topics. And the first one that I want to talk is the characteristics of living things. All the living beings has share a process. This one is the characteristic of the growth, the reproduction, the DNA, the cells, the metabolism. These are like something that just the living thing does. The second topic, I want to talk the difference between the eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. The first one, that is prokaryotic, is done. Maybe sometimes they have a nucleus, and the eukaryotic has all the time. They have an organelles. The eukaryotic has nucleus and organelles. The third topic I want to talk is the cell transport. This is reported in 3 different ways. The first one is the passive transport. This indicates that to be moved the substance don't require energy, a difference to the active that require the energy to be moved. And the third one is the bulk transport. This is reported into endocytosis and the exocytosis. The endocytosis is reported into all cells like R3. And the fourth topic is the pregnancy. The pregnancy is a process that is the reproduction, is a characteristic of living things. And this is reported in 9 months. Is into 3 semesters. The first one is 0 to 30 weeks. That is that appears the symptoms like the vomit or maybe the fatigue. And the other one is 14 to 27. This is the first symptoms, the early symptoms. It appears, but sometimes some women have it and it's normal, but the majority don't have this. And the last trimester is that the babies has all the organs and the cells, everything is ready to heal.
Hi, my name is Angeles and today I'm going to talk about 3 different topics. Our first topic is about the history of the microscope. In the 14th century, a specialist first made in Italy, Hans and Zacharias Janssen created the first microscope. In 1830, Joseph Jackson Lister discovered the using of winged lenses together to various distances provide a clear magnification. In 1931, 3D specimen images possible with the invention of Zacharias turning microscope by Gers Experiment and Hershey Rover. As you can see, the period of time about the first time that the microscope was invented to today's or to 1931 is a lot. So we can deduce that the need of the instrument of an object that can clarify images like cells or something like very, very tiny, it was very important. So today we can finally say that we have a very clear object to use to solve in science and biology. So today the microscope is the most useful creation in that of both science. My third and last topic is obesity. Overeating and like exercise both contribute to obesity, but you can change these lifestyle choices. If many of your calories come from refined foods or foods high in sugar or fat, you will likely gain weight. If you don't get much of any exercise, you will find hard to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. This problem is very important because in most of the countries, obesity is a very big problem because most of the population have it. And the most important thing is to prevent it. So how do you prevent obesity? You can start by having a balanced diet about fruits, meals, and something like that, and also make a lot of exercise. So you must have your organs active and.
Hi guys, my name is Evelyn Castillo. I'm from group 605 and my theme is about cell transport. The cell transport have diffusion, osmosis, endocytosis, exocytosis, phagocytosis, and phagocytosis. The process is diffusion is the movement of molecules from areas of low concentration. Osmosis is the movement of water molecules from a solution by a high concentration. Endocytosis is a process that allows cells to absorb materials from outside the cell, engulfing them with their membranes. Next is exocytosis, a process of membrane logic molecules out of the cells of the cell exterior. Phagocytosis, a biological process where a cell engulfs a skeleton for ends, a substance, dead cells, and microorganisms. Phagocytosis, a process by which the cell takes in the fluids that will dissolve small molecules. And my next topic is about what is the difference between active and passive transport about cells. Passive transport does not require electricity or a movement of cells because the active transport he can movement but he does, and passive transport requires cell-to-cell communication because the cell communicates to another that it need move the another cell.
Hi, my name is Evelyn, and I'm here to talk about some topics from the biology in health class. Okay, so first we have the biology levels of organization. We have from the smallest to the biggest, from the minuscule, from the micro, to the highest. We have the organelles, then the cells, tissues, organ system, organism, population, communities, ecosystem, and finally the biosphere. Then we have the homeostasis. That it sounds like a bit strange, the word, but it's not so strange. So we have that the homeostasis is the psychology tendency toward to maintain a stable and control the inter and coordinate levels of the environment. Then we have the addictions. The addictions are the inability of stop doing something. For example, smoke, drink, or vape. Vape is something I want to resolve more because us, the teenagers, we have a level of tendency to take a vape because it's popular or it's a tendency and our friends are doing that. But that's bad because the addictions hurt us, and not only in the level of health. It hurt us for the future. For example, there are persons that die for cancer in a big time. They smoke like from the 20s and die at the 40s or things like that. So I think that the addictions are bad for us. I always say that I don't want to smoke or drink something, but it's not bad
taking a little bit of that is good, but not for excess, because the excess make an addiction, and the addiction can take us the life. So that's all for my part. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day. Bye!